Hello everyone, my name is Laura and I want to welcome you to our campus tour here at WHU in Düsseldorf. I'm excited to show you today what makes this a special place and hope you'll enjoy it. We begin here in the courtyard of Schwanhöfe, which is a vivid hub for businesses, event venues and higher education. It's also located not far from Düsseldorf center, so you can reach us easily via public transportation and by car. Let's head inside. This is our reception area, your first point of contact. Whether you need help with directions, help with scheduling, or just want to find out what's happening on campus today, our staff members are here for you. Next to it, you'll find the Career Center and our program teams. And finally, you will find our open space. Our spaces in Düsseldorf are frequently used to host various events of our community. May it be conferences, workshops, or summits. There's a wide range of occasions that find the right environment here. But how about the actual class experiences? This is one of our lecture halls where lectures with more than 100 students can happen. Core modules in strategy, leadership, finance, plus guest lectures from industry experts. They also feature hybrid teaching capabilities, so if you ever join virtually, you're still in the conversation. It's also a space for formal events, panels, student competitions and much more. Let's go down to one of my favorite spots next. Here is the student lounge. It's where we shift from lectures to coffee chats and game nights. Also, this is the place to get some comfort time in between classes. We've got comfy seating, natural light and yes, a gaming area including a pool table and table soccer. Perfect for both quality time after long lectures and a space to study. The student lounge is not the only place for studying, of course. We have plenty of rooms and spaces to get some quiet time for focus work, just like this one. If you're looking for a spot to do solo work or group meetings, you can easily access them all over the campus. They are available in all of the buildings. Now we're entering the Krautkrämer building. It's the latest extension of our campus here in Düsseldorf. Think of it as a secondary hub. It offers room for teaching and events, but does it in a unique factory setting. Hosting not only WHU students, but also an extended network of junior and senior professionals in our executive education programs. What you see here is the bistro of our campus. During lunch breaks, many students gather here to take a break or spend some time together. In addition to that, it easily transforms into an event venue that can seamlessly blend any occasion with a unique learning experience. So there you have it, a walk through some of the best spots here at Campus Düsseldorf. I hope it gives you a taste of what studying here looks like. And who knows, maybe you'll be sitting in one of those lecture halls yourself soon. Until then, take care and see you at WHU.